Hello everyone, I'm Charlie and welcome to my channel. Actually, today I don't have any story, but I have a point. I have some points, so I would love to talk about that point. So that is very essential for our human being, for our life. That is very essential for our life. So my first point is humanity versus low self-esteem. So we should draw a line between humanity versus low self-esteem. Actually, what happened, most of the people, they behave like nice, too much nice, and too much polite, too much friendly, too much humanity. So uh, so the others, they started to take advantage from them. They started to discomfort that person, because they know whatever I would speak for them, they would not tell me anything, and they would know about your they are aware of your weak point. So they knows about you, you better than yourself. So it's very important to draw a line between your humanity and your low self esteem. If you would behave always too much nice with others, and actually who are not deserve that of much of nice from you, but you are giving them that much of respect, that much of time, so they would started to discomfort you, they would started to disrespect you some subconsciously, and you don't realize. And when you would realize, it take too much time, it took too much time to realize you. So it's very important to draw a line. Actually, what happened, when we do lots of things for others, they would not encourage us, they would not validate, they would not appreciate our work. They think about it is your first, you should do. So we should not think about our first, because in that life everyone has lots of work. So why I'm ready, why I'm think about yourself, why I would always think about yourself? No. And also to draw a line, not arrogantly, like a nice person, like a, yeah, like I also wants to love myself, like I also wants to do anything. So to draw a line between my humanity is not like I'm arrogant. If you would think about I'm arrogant, so it's your problem. You can think, you are free to think anything for myself, but I know what I am and what I have. It's very important to know yourself. If you would not love yourself, nobody would love you. It's a very important point. So firstly, you should know, you should be aware of yourself, you should always be ready to love yourself. If anyone started to draw your boundaries, so you should ready to give that instruction. No, you cannot draw my humility, because my fathers wasn't raised me only to disrespected by you. I am also a human being, and I have also freedom to live my life freely. I'm not in the world, I'm not in the earth only to serve yourself. I'm also to love myself, I'm also to live for myself. God doesn't told me you are going in this world and you have to always serve others. No, God only told, God only tell, God only say to their child, I'm giving you birth and it's your life. What you would do for yourself, how, yeah. And my other point is, choose yourself first at every day. Actually, in what you have to do every morning after wake up, you have to say to yourself, I am, and the only I am, the best person in the world, and no one can hurt me, and I am best human being, I am everything, I have lots of capability. Yeah. Actually, what happened, especially for women, uh, when she stand for herself, when she stand for her boundaries, so people thinks about her, she's arrogant, she's brutal. But no, sometimes to be arrogant, it is no, there is no problem, there are no problem. You can be arrogant, for some time for yourself. So start to stand for yourself, because if you would not think yourself, no one would think about you. Actually, in my initial day, I was the person who cries a lot in any point. I was always ready to cry. I was always, if anyone would hurt me at that time, I had cried, and even I didn't show my emotion, what I want. So, but when I got to know it's not good, because if I would cry, the others would take advantage from me. They would started to hurt me more than today. So I stopped to be always vulnerable. I stopped crying, and after that I did lots of struggle to get rid of that. And I can't say I'm 100. I have improved 100%, but yeah, I can say I have improved 50%. I am on the on my path. And not to always behave like always giving, we should not, we should not think always to give others person, to give others happiness. No, happiness is also essential for us. We should also think about how I can make happy to myself. We should not think about always I have to make happy to others. Actually, what happened, since our childhood, women has to struggle a lot. Women have to struggle a lot, because she always have taught her parents, like her family members, they used to tell her not to speak, not to shut up. So she was in her adulthood, she started to face problem to speak up, because she used to always shut up, she used to always not to speak. So no, we should not behave like that, because if we would behave like that, others would know about our weak point and they started to take advantage. Actually, this happened with me, and I have struggled a lot, because I was crying person, I was always crying. So other person, they was telling me, you always cry, even in a small matter. So when I was crying, like anything serious matter, they wouldn't take me that much, they wasn't give me that much of respect, because they thought she's crying always. No, it's not yeah, she's like that. Actually, as a human being, we should not need validation from others. We should not need from others gratification, because we are used to think about, if anyone told me like you are doing great, so we would think, yeah, I am doing great because anyone told me. No, it's not good. Like, we are learning this language, and we know in which area we are focusing and in which area we are not focusing, and we have this capability in how many days we can learn this language. But it's not good, it's not matter like anyone told me you are doing great, you are improving a lot, so I would think about, yeah, I have improved. And also, we should not focus on noise, we should focus on goal. What is our goal? Like, if we are going outside, so we should focus on traffic, we should not focus on we should focus on our destination, we should not focus on traffic, because traffic is sometimes they live and sometimes they didn't. But goal is purpose, we should purpose our goal, we should focus to our goal. Yeah, this is for today. I hope you liked this video, and if this video is good for you, please like, comment and subscribe. Yeah, thank you, thanks a lot for watching my video.